Welcome children to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn the simplification of numerical expression. Here we are solving two problems. For solving this problem we use DEMAS method. D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Now we solving the first problem. In this problem, first we use the division. We divide the 12 by 3. Therefore, 6 multiplied by 7 minus 12 by 3 is equal to 4. Now, in DEMAS method, next operation is multiplication. Therefore, 6 multiplied by 7 is equal to 42 minus 4. Now, in DEMAS method, addition next operation. But in this sum, there is no addition. So, we use next operation subtraction. Therefore, 42 minus 4 is equal to 38, which is our answer. Now we solving the second problem. In this problem, division is first operation. Therefore, 36 divided by 6 is equal to 6 multiplied by 4 plus 4 minus 1. Now, next operation is a multiplication. Therefore, 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24 plus 4 minus 1. Now, in DEMAS method, next operation is addition. Therefore, 24 plus 4 is equal to 28 minus 1. Now, 28 minus 1 is 27, which is our answer. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.